Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Scottsdale, Arizona, looking at another gorgeous luxury home. And this time we have a model home by none other than Toll Brothers. Now, starting on the exterior, family, we do have that stacked stone stucco, as well as the board and batten accents on the exterior of the property. This is called the Sunburst Modern Ranch Elevation. You actually have 4 different styles for this particular floor plan. And I think you may love the inside just as much as I do. Now, right over here, straight ahead, you will have a 2-car garage bay. And then over here to the left is your sales office, but that would be your additional 2 to 3-car garage bay. Now, you have this massive motor court right over here, but look at this sunken area, creating that zen-like feel, perfect to host your guests, all your family and friends. And I tell you, they would be jealous of you. Now, you are gonna have these modern exterior light fixtures, really creates that appeal to the property. And then wait till you see the view once we head inside. Now, you do have this modern covered front porch right here, but most importantly, look at the privacy glass for our garage doors. Love that. It really just creates that character, that modern look that folks are looking for. And I think it is impressive. Now, right over here, you do have the iron front door, the transom window right above there with the glass pane inside. But without further ado, let's get you inside. All right. Look at that incredible view as soon as you enter inside of the property. Now, I'll pan you upwards. You have the wood ceiling, 14 foot high. You'll notice that common theme throughout the property. And then you have that modern chandelier. Now, I'll go ahead and turn you around so you can see the front door from the inside, and then we'll continue. Impressive. So heading right over here to our study, look at the 14-foot ceilings. You see the atmosphere in here, that ambiance, extremely roomy, plenty of space to work with. You have your built-in drawers over here, floating shelves, a ton of decor. In fact, look at the awards for their staging. Impressive. Now, you are going to have the windows overlooking your motor court. As you can see, you have that modern light fixture hanging down right above our desk, and I love it. Now, as we do continue right here, you will notice the tile flooring throughout the property as well, which I think you may be a fan of. As we continue to our formal dining area, look at this, family. Impressive. So you have a bar right over here leading you inside of here. Then you have that modern light fixture again, the 14-foot ceilings inside of here, but a ton of room to work with. Again, the common theme that you're going to notice throughout this property is that if you do have a large family or you do have a large friend group, this is going to be the perfect plan for you. Now, I welcome all your feedback in the comments below, so make sure you do if you don't mind. All right, so I'll do a full pan and then we'll start inside of the great room. We haven't seen something quite as nice as this recently, and I'm excited about this. Now, you see your oversized pendant lights hanging down. Love that. Floor to ceiling fireplace. Right over here to the left, you have this elegant wine closet, family. Beautiful. So you have cabinet doors on both sides, so plenty of storage to work with. And then look at the scope of this. Absolutely impressive. Now, you will notice multiple sets of sliders leading you to your backyard. Wait till we get straight ahead to the back. I don't think you'll want to miss that. But it really is extremely inviting, especially whenever you walk in here. And if you are in the area, make sure to stop by it. You will not regret it. Now, as we come along right over here, we'll start on the perimeter of the property and make our way around, family. Okay, so look at this. Absolutely stunning. So you have a queen bed, your 2 nightstands. Look at your pendant lights hanging down right above your nightstands. Now you will notice the accent wall and the accent ceiling, so that continuity is present. You have the oversized windows with the grids, and then your transom window. You got a ballet bar over here, perfect for, your daughters. And then look at this. Beautiful. So you are going to have a bathroom in here. So you have an ensuite. We'll see that in just a second. But straight ahead, you have a walk-in closet. So your built-ins are ready to go. Of course, this is a model home, but if it is something where you were to purchase this as a spec home, then you could take inspiration. Or if you were to build from scratch, you can also take some inspiration. Now, as we continue right over here, look at this. So you got your shower tub combo, as you can see right over here. And then I'll pan you around here so you can see the materials. So you got the quartz countertops, you got the matte black sconce right above there, that sleek mirror, and you can add some accent lighting behind that if you prefer to. Now, right over here, next bedroom. So you have carpet in here, but very few places where you're gonna see carpet present. Now, you got your matte black light fixture, you got your queen bed, your 2 nightstands, your dresser over here, and look at the size that you still have. Now, let me know what you think about the staging. Okay, so right over here to the left would be your walk-in closet. It is locked right now, so any door that is unlocked, I'll make sure to show you. I try to show you each and every door if possible. Now you got this diamond-shaped shower surround, as you can see, and then the same materials for our vanity. Okay. So let's go ahead and continue right over here. Like I said, I like to go around the perimeter of the property so that way everything just kind of lines up and makes sense for you. So let me know if you like that format. Okay, so now this is your powder room right over here. Look at that. You got the quartzite Taj Mahal countertops. You will notice the Taj Mahal accent wall right there. You don't see that often. And then you see your pendant lights hanging down. And that Taj Mahal really complements this style cabinet doors. Impressive. Okay, so right over here to the right would be walking in from that garage bay. Like I mentioned earlier, that is the sales office currently, but this will just give you an idea what you would be walking in to. All right. So absolutely impressive. Well, I'm telling you, wait till we get back there. I'll make sure we see that. Don't worry. I'm going to take you around this side and we'll continue. Now, heading inside of the primary suite family, look at this. The beautiful sconces lined up, leading you right over here to this gorgeous room. Beautiful family. So straight ahead, you will notice that reeded accent wall. You got that matte black, huge light fixture over your king size bed. Look at the sitting area. Oh my goodness, the way they staged this. Oh, love it. And you know, Toll Brothers, if you've seen any of their other models, they always do a fantastic job. Statewide, this is like a mandatory statewide deal. I always wonder if I can catch them, you know, slipping every now and then, but nope. They are on top of their game, which I can appreciate. Now, in here, you notice the white oak floors continuing right here. Then you see that wood accent wall again. Straight ahead, you do have a quick access door leading you to this atrium deal. Look at that. And look at the incredible mountains. I'm telling you, that is one of the things that I'm super impressed with about Arizona. The scenery is absolutely astonishing. You know, we always hear about that, especially if you've never been to Arizona. We always hear about that all the time. You see photos, but when you're here in person, I'm telling you, those images do not do it justice. Okay, so now heading inside of our ensuite family. Look at this. So you got your rectangular freestanding tub, dual entry, massive walk-in shower. You got his and hers vanities. You see the first one over there with your elegant pendant light hanging down. And then your second one right here. Quartzite countertops, the flat panel cabinet doors in here. And then now you got zero threshold. You got 2 shower benches. You see your matte black shower heads and shower valves. You got a shower niche and it's zero threshold straight ahead over there. So I tell you what, this is absolutely astonishing. Now you got your water closet straight ahead over there, but let's go ahead and take a look at our primary closet and see what we get. A ton of room. You already got your built-in drawers on both sides. You see the glass panes in our cabinet doors. And then look at this, it even continues over here. So I'm always a big fan of the his and hers closets, but when you see a primary closet as huge as this one, sometimes I have to reevaluate what I do like, right? You have a ton of space in there. So if you haven't done so, please do let me know in the comments your initial thoughts. We are just getting started, family. And then this would be your incredible view. Now, again, we'll continue right over here. You see, you have your wine fridges. You have two of those, so you can fit 60 to 90 bottles in each and every one of those, or both of those. So you have 180 bottles that you can fit up there. Now, you will notice that you have the glass panes in the cabinet doors right above there as well. And then you see the front side of this bar area. Impressive. So you got a ton of storage to work with. Now, as we head inside of the kitchen, look at the 14-foot ceilings that continues this way. You have your double sinks, or your double islands rather, quartzite countertops, waterfall, and then you'll notice that up the backsplash. So perfect for prepping. You notice the under cabinet lighting, again, the flat panel cabinet doors on both sides. So you have plenty of storage surrounding the entire islands. And then as I pan you right over here, look at this. So you have a warming drawer, you got your Wolf appliances, your coffee system straight ahead, that sleek cabinetry, and then your oversized refrigerator. Look at that. That ice cream looks fantastic, especially with the weather right now, 109 degrees outside. Still getting used to it. It's a dry heat, so it's definitely bearable. Now, straight ahead right here, you do have your Gen Air ice maker. You see the stainless steel dishwasher. You got your trash drawer on this side, sink inside the island, but look at the scope of this room. Wow. So a ton of space to work with. I'll open up some of these drawers for you to see how much storage we get. All soft closing. You need even a ton of space up here. So you have stack cabinets as well for additional storage. You do have the stainless steel vent hood right above your range. And then you see the 6-burner with the griddle and a ton of counter space. Beautiful. And I'll do one more full pan for you. All right, now I'm excited to show you right behind me, family. Look at this. So you see your prep kitchen over here. You already have a massive sink, your dishwasher again, and then of course, all your stainless steel appliances. You got sliders in here, opening up to your outdoor kitchen. You're gonna see that in just a second. I'll make sure to show you that. And then you got some additional refrigeration. I'm telling you, Toll Brothers never fails to amaze me, and let me know if you're in the same boat. Now over here, you got your pantry. Look at all the storage that you have for your dry goods. You even have, again, the glass panes in your cabinet front, some additional counter space on this side. And look at this. Absolutely stunning, family. Really excited to tour this one together. Now, before we do continue, I'll show you outside in just a moment. I want to take you around right over here. So straight ahead would be your additional garage. Remember that we had seen it on both sides. Now, looking at our laundry room, you have quartz countertops in here, the custom cabinetry. You got your sink right over here, plenty of space for your oversized washer and dryer. You can tell straight ahead, and the ideal laundry room. Now heading to our next bedroom again. So with the floor plans by Toll Brothers, right? You'll see oftentimes it'll say 4 to 5 bedrooms or 4 to 6 bedrooms, depending on your personal need, depending if they're, building a spec home is going to determine how much space is being built. So if it's something where you want this one and you want an additional 5th bedroom, you need that 3rd car garage, you can certainly do that as well. So just FYI. Now, heading inside of here, look at the scope of this, family. So you got your queen size bed, your 2 nightstands, you see that wallpaper right there, and then your dresser, and you still have a ton of breathing room. You even got a nice little decor area right here. Let me know if you're a fan of this, but you notice the court side in here. So I'll paint you right here. You got your walk-in closet. This is the perfect in-law suite or guest suite. And again, you know, we talk about that all the time, the multi-gen living. They park in that garage right here and head down this hallway and they'll enter inside of this bedroom. So quick proximity, and it's extremely practical. All right, now turn you around. You can see the same vanity that we've been seeing. So we talk about the uniformity. And then again, you have the wood floors in here, and then it meets the tile again. Okay, so we definitely covered a ton, family. I'm gonna get you outside so we can see this backyard oasis. There's a guest house over there, casita. We'll see if that's open too. Love this. So you notice the natural stone countertops out here, family. You still have some sun protruding through. So you don't have to worry about the violent UV rays or anything like that, almost like a pergola, letting a little bit of sunlight inside. Now you have your built-in grill right here. Look at this. The Chicago brick oven right here. Perfect to add a pizza in there and have that nice, unique taste. Again, you have the oversized sink right over here. Oh my gosh, just a ton to work with. You still even have some additional space. Look at the incredible view. So you see your grill right over here as well. And then you can just work with that and have that incredible view at all times. Beautiful. So if that wasn't enough, you see you got your turf over here. Now continuing this way, look how impressive this is. Gosh, you might spend more time out here than you would inside. I know I would. So you have some additional counter space right here. That one is going to be the waterfall. As you can see, look at the covered backyard patio. The 14-foot ceilings continue this way. You have that infinity edge pool. You have an additional bar area straight over there. I'm telling you, a backyard oasis is an understatement. So I don't even want to really say that for this one, right? So you can entertain folks over there to the right, and then look at the incredible mountains. Absolutely stunning. All right, so we'll see if this one is not open right now, but we'll see through the windows. I can show you. Look at that. So you do have that laundry room straight ahead over there. As you can see, you have a full living area, and then you have a bedroom over there. So a ton of room to work with. I'm just absolutely happy we had the good fortune to tour this one. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this particular property. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? If so, let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.